Om Shanti. Very good morning to one and all. Today we will go through English Mulli, that is 15th March 2021. Baba is telling, sweet children, only Shiv Baba is the first class blotting paper that absorbs everyone's sin. Remember him and your sins will be absolved. What are the deepest stain on souls? What effort do you need to make to erase them? Answer. There are very deep stain of body consciousness on souls. Souls repeatedly become trapped in someone's name and form. Souls do not remember the Father but continue to remember bodily beings. They continue to cause sorrow for one another's hearts. In order to erase these stains, make effort to become soul consciousness. Very important point Baba is explaining why the deep stain is lying in our soul and which need to be erased. The way is to become body consciousness. We are continuously remembering the body, the bodily relationship, trapped with someone's name, fame, and physical means human being. Physically they are loving what they are calling loving, but they are in the attachment, they are in a trap. So get rid from this. You need to be continuously practice. I am a soul, I am a soul, I am not a body. So body is my just like a dress, it is different from me. Myself is the pure, ever pure soul. So this is the way Baba teaches us how to get rid from this deep stain, that is continuously, repeatedly remember the soul consciousness, stay in the stage of soul consciousness. Then today's song, look at your face in the mirror of your heart. Look at your face in the mirror of your heart. मुखड़ा देख लो प्राणी, क्या तेरी कर्म कहानी. Sense for dhana. Number 1 point, never hurt anyone's heart. Give happiness to everyone. Stay in remembrance of the one Father and remind others of him. Never hurt anyone's heart. Give happiness to everyone. Stay in remembrance of the one Father and remind others of him. Number 2, in order to erase the stain of sins, become soul conscious and remember the Father, the imperishable blotting paper. Make your stage so sweet that you continue to benefit everyone. In order to erase the stain of sin, become soul conscious and remember the Father, the imperishable blotting paper. Make your stage so sweet that you continue to benefit everyone. Today blessing. While you are receiving the blessing, visualize that Bap Dada's blessed hand is above your head and you are receiving the blessing. So may you be an image that grants blessing and enable weak souls to claim a right to the inheritance with your cooperation. आपकी सहयोग द्वारा और कमज़ोर आत्माओं को भी उनको वर्षा के अधिकार कराने वाले आप वरदानी मूर्त भव. अपने सहयोग से निर्बल आत्माओं को वर्षे का अधिकारी बनाने वाले वरदानी मूर्त भव. Explanation. Now as an image that grants blessing, serve weak souls with your power of thought and bring them closer to the Father. This pure desire is emerging in the majority of souls. Spiritual power is able to do what no one else can do, but they lack the courage to move towards spirituality. Give them legs of courage with your power, for only then they will be able to come closer to the Father. Now become an image that grants blessing and with your cooperation enables them to claim a right to the inheritance. Today's slogan, only those who are successful in their connection, words and relationship with their transformation become embodiment of success. अपने परिवर्तन द्वारा संपर्क, बोल और संबंध में सफलता प्राप्त करने वाले ही सफलता मूर्त है. अपने परिवर्तन द्वारा संपर्क, बोल और संबंध में सफलता प्राप्त करने वाले ही सफलता मूर्त है. Om Shanti. Have a good day.